1, 2, 3, 4.
This is the part 2 of our Malaybalay 3-day challenge. In our previous video, we slept in Kaamulan grounds and went to the zoo. In this video, we'll see if we can survive camping in Kaamulan grounds for a few more days.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
We are going to take a bath. So nag-move lang kami. Andun yung zoo. Tapos yung may shower room naman doon pero ang daming tao. And may another shower room dito na area. Diyan na lang kami nag-park. Dinala na lang namin yung mga damit namin.
Diyan kami nakapark kanina. But we figure out na bawal pala. Kasi bawal palang ipasok yung sasakyan dyan.
Pero may ibang nagpa-parking
Oo.
siguro matagal na.
Yung ibang employee, inalaw nila kami. But yung ibang employee naman, sabi nila hindi daw pwede. But we figured out na meron palang shower area doon. May nagsha-shower din na labo.
May mga nagsha-shower.
Doon na area na yun, meron.
So we need to wait.
Yeah, magsha-shower kami.
Sobrang lamig ng water nila.
Fresh na, fresh. So, nakaligo na talaga kami.
Second meal of the day.
Yeah.
Parang overripe. Overripe ba?
Hindi. Overripe na mo pag naliki.
Liti, what is liti? Liti, not good. I don't like
Mas tamis yung
durian.
kapon?
I don't like durian. No, close this.
Ayun na!
Spike me. Just spike me. That's a spiky food.
If. You will fall there. Yan si Summit nakatulog na. After a long day in the zoo, nakatulog si Kuya Summit. So, this is our second day here in Malaybalay City, Bukidnon.
So, kaninang morning, galing na kaming zoo. And nakaligo na rin kami. Mahirap kasing maghanap dito ng shower room.
Mahirap kasi this is our first time kasi na hindi talaga siya, alam mo, hindi fix
Hindi campsite.
Hindi siya campsite. So, hindi namin alam kung saan yung power source, saan yung good bathroom. And thankfully, nakahanap kami ng good shower room near the zoo.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
So, pagkatapos nun, nagtambay lang tayo dito sa van. Kasi umuulan.
Most of our second day na spend namin dito inside the van. But it's okay since...
Nag-tea lang kami, tapos kumain. So, ngayon, ang biggest challenge na naman namin is saan kami makaka-charge. Kasi kahapon naubos lahat ng namin. Yung battery, power bank, tsaka yung laptop ni Taizalo. But then,
hopefully, makakakita kami ng good area to stay overnight and with power source.
yeah, oo.
Hopefully, makakaabot tayo ng third
Yeah,
or even
third or fourth day.
Oh, ma.
So, para lang may idea kayo kung saan kami nag-park. Bale, andito yung van and dyan lang yung ground, yung Kaamulan ground. Nasa labas lang. So, since umuulan nga, andito lang kami sa loob. Si Samit naglalaro lang dun. Yeah, space! So, dun kami naka-park sa likod ng stage. Let's order fish, anak. Nag-take out na kami dito sa store na to. Kasi meron silang fish. And gusto ni Summit yung yung catfish.
Papa, I love you, bear.
Love you.
If you wipe my balloon, like a big,
Oh, you get the covers pa.
One.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Uy, saan na si Ace? Morning, Ace. So where to next?
Instead of staying here, this is our third day by the way. We decided to
Try to camp in different place na lang.
in different place. Kasi merong magandang camping spot near this area. Mga 40 to 50 minutes away from here. We will try.
My parachute.
See ya!
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed. Cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger.
Alis na kami guys. Tapos na kami mag-ready and punta na tayo sa Easy Farm.
Off to our next
Goodbye!
Bye! Kaamulan for now.
Yeah. For na hindi pa naman kasi tapos lahat ng mga store dito. So baka bumalik tayo, right? Yeah, baka bumalik tayo dito.
It's now 7 a.m.
Yeah. We're on our way. Excited.
Okay na. Tara, kumaliwa.
Suway.
The sun goes down, run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun
So we
goes
just
down.
turned left.
So yan yung daan papunta.
Hopefully.
Easy Farm. Easy.
Hindi masyadong rough road. no?
Easy.
Hopefully.
The Mindanao, we call that Tokmo.
Where?
That one, no? The word of.
There. Ah, it's so shaky.
That one, no? The bird is eating something.
Ayaw ligsi.
Dali siya madlock.
It's not scared.
Ba?
Oh.
That bird is
Dili,
not
get siya
scared.
mulupad.
Hala, hala.
Excuse me, bird.
Hala, balik siya.
Sa batuin na lang.
Lagi siya nilupad.
So, yung
Oh, tara.
there. Okay. It flew away.
Pati siya. Ano siya? Saba.
I think ka-vibrate ang toy ni Samit. Hindi ko din na-lock yung drawers, kaya ang ingay. Nasa may gilid pa, beside the jar. Saan ang ka-vibrate?
Kani?
May nagba-vibrate.
Kato?
I feel like ang ano ni Samit, this is the longest, 7 kilometers of our lives.
Pagdating namin ng Easy Farm, papalitan ko yung pangalan ng Easy Farm. ng, not so Easy Farm. Malapit lang naman yan, but syempre hindi tayo pwedeng magmadali. Okay, sana kung ganito siya. It's
Ganito
like
lang.
almost level na pwede tayong at least.
It's eating farm, guys.
Pero some parts is talagang napakalalim. Malalim yung
Mga bato.
Oo, malalim. Hindi siya pwedeng madaliin. 'Di ba may saying doon na rough road ba 'to? Rough road often leads to
Beautiful destination.
beautiful destination.
Let's see.
Difficult roads or rough roads?
Difficult road. Leads to beautiful
Destination.
Oh, no.
Dili kilala, easy gid. Dili gid mo.
No, it's easy. There it is.
Nakarating ka na sa iyong destinasyon.
Holy...
Dili lagi ni mao.
Oh. What? Holy moly.
I wanna go. Seriously.
Where are we supposed to go?
Down with the one challenging.
Sobrang grabe rough road. Palbaanan ko pa.
Ha?
Kaya sala na ako. I feel like this is the right place because they have a lot of huts na. It looks organic. This is it. This is the correct one.
Sure ka lang.
I feel like yes. Wala pa ganita. Patay, baka close pa to. Can you push it again, please? Twice. More.
Tell me tales that will leave me scared.
kinabahan ako dun ah. Baka balik ako. Yes. Ayun, entrance pa lang. We're here! Space! We're here! So we will go out na to explore kung anong meron. Kasi we've learned na they are selling organic food. So tignan natin kung anong pwede nating mabili. Who wants to see the... Kuya wants to see... They are harvesting. Ano silang gina-harvest nila? Corn. Ah, corn. Kita na gid siya harvest. Dugay na siya gusto makakita. So, sometimes nakakairita pag madumi sila. But, we always need to remind ourselves that what's this? Kids are washable. Which one are sharp?
Walking down the avenue where we used to play. The house on the corner is still the same today as it was when we were children, innocent as innocent can be.
What happened?
I borrowed all your records, you borrowed mine from me. We sat and talked for hours in a box hung in a tree, and we stole your...
Kinover na lang namin ng plastic and stroller kasi ang lakas ng hangin. Mali yung information na nakuha namin. They are not selling organic food. They are selling ornamental plants. Nag-export sila ng mga, come here babe, ornamental plants. But they do have a little strawberry farm here. And meron din sila mga watermelons. So free lang siya guys. We're so excited to pick some strawberries. Come here, Sammy. See, it's very red.
Those were the times.
Hey, can you show it to me?
Those were the ways. So take me back.
Big one.
Yeah, that's big.
Take me
I'm gonna get a
to
bone.
the good old days.
So this is their little strawberry farm. And dun kami nakapark. That's the strawberry that Summit collected. Show it to me. Yay, that's a beautiful strawberry. I think that's enough. Okay, we have apple pamander.
What?
Oh, let's go back to the van, huh? Are you good with that? Konti lang yung nakuha namin since parang kaka-harvest lang ata nila.
Here. And then one there.
There's an helicopter, anak!
See?
It's helicopter.
I thought it's the harvesters.
Thank you, anak, for the strawberries.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit.
Lalagyan namin ng guidelines awning kasi Pag ganito kasing malakas yung hangin, may tendency na pa rin yung awning.
Oo.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Kinover na namin yung bonfire area kasi pumupunta sa space bar. Ala is trying to move the table, Lalab. Tanawa! Lalab! Is trying to climb!
Hala ka! Uy, ma-shoot yan eh kaniha karon
Hala, this boy!
Hala, gusto siya magdula
Sa Ash! Gusto siya magdula.
Yung foam namin, tinransfer namin dyan para si Ace, madali siyang bantayan.
See that tiger that we saw in the zoo? I'm to come in the zoo.